Emirates Liberty International, where the local time is 11:29. Please stay comfortably seated until the seatbelt sign is off. You may continue to use and charge your phones and tablets. If you're sitting in an exit row, please don't plug your devices into the outlets. Don't forget to check your seat back pocket and the area around your seat to make sure you have all of your belongings, and be careful when opening the overhead bins. To help keep the aircraft comfortable for our next customers, please open your overhead air vents, and if you're sitting next to a window, please close the window shades as you leave. Once we arrive at the gate, our airport team will be more than happy to answer any questions you might have. Any checked baggage may be retrieved from Baggage Carousel 1. Your feedback is really important to us, so some of you will receive a survey asking about your experience via email or in the United app. We'd love to know how you enjoyed your flight with us today. On behalf of United, our Star Alliance partners, and your entire flight crew, thank you for choosing to fly the friendly skies with us today. We hope you have a pleasant stay, and we look forward to seeing you again on another United flight. Once the fasten seatbelt sign is turned off, please stand clear of the door area to allow your flight attendants to complete important safety duties.